Hello everybody. Here's just an update on my firearm collection here. Of course, this is my first collection here of my firearms here. Look at the Wheelock NS 2-wire horn strobe, my Firelight BG12 pull station with the hex lock, the EST Genesis horn strobe, and for my new firearm collection here, in the additions to it there, I got a good amount of firearm collections this time. So, about to reveal it. First off, I have another pull station. Here, you see how this says Notifier NBG12 pull station? That is actually wrong. It is actually a Notifier NBG12L pull station with the key reset lock here. It's just the same there. And for my new notification appliances, about to reveal them, got my Gentex GOS horn strobe. Got a Wheelock MT with the horizontal strobe. Woohoo! I got a System Sensor Mass ADA multi-tone sounder. The wires there for the strobe. It's the way you can wire it up there. And I got a Wheelock 7002T-24. And a Wheelock AS. This is the ceiling mount version. It's got the 2-wire horn strobe. So let's test one of the notification appliances, shall we? Okay, I got my Notifier NBG12L pull station hooked up, and I just got my Wheelock MT on there with a horizontal strobe, with the strobe only wired up. So let's test her out. Strobe is on 1575 candela. See, we got the strobe light flashing, and use the switch on there to silence the alarm. Silence that. Reset it with the key. Reset that. Okay, we're pretty much back to normal. This is my update of the firearm collection here, and I'll be doing some more testing with my other notification appliances at a later day. Thank you for watching.